Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again. Got another unboxing video today. And so I'm going to be unboxing for you. It's going to be kind of a rough one, but I'm going to do my best here. The Jamo S, I don't know, I'm going to call it the 809 5.0 speaker package. I got these on sale for an amazing price. And I won't talk about that now, but maybe in the review video of these speakers. All right. So these are the tower versions. It has the S803 bookshelves. We got some documentation here. I think maybe some rubber feet and other stuff in there. Set that off to the side. Now I am hoping that the best way to be doing this or not. Huh. Kind of a tape together. Oh, I think this has got some stands and stuff in it. Take a look at that. Man. One thing about Jamo is that their packaging leaves a little something to be desired. They use this these are the feet. Take a look at those. Looks like should be 4 of these for each one, but maybe the other ones are on the bottom. So these are the towers right here. Oh, got some plastic protection on there. I'm gonna pull these out. Maybe. These puppies are hard to get out. And here's the grills. Magnetic, very nice, very nice. I believe this is the top here. Set that aside. Jamo really needs to work on their packaging. Oh, let's see. Here we go. So these are the S809 towers. These are the ones that have 3, I think they're 5 1/4. We'll see when we get these out. So I got the plastic wrap off of them. Yeah, I think that's a 5 1/4. So it's 3 5 1/4. You see, here's the 1-inch silk dome tweeter. Not the epitome of hi-fi, but I've heard good things, and so I am curious and excited to check these out. Let's set this one over here out of the way. This came in 2 boxes, and what concerns me is that I did not see, and again, the foam is just going to fall apart. I did not see the center channel listed anywhere in the shipping information. So I'm hoping it's back in this one because I don't think it's inside the bookshelf speaker box. That would be pretty crazy because that thing is not that big. So much padding. If I decide not to keep these, it's going to be a pain in the butt to send them back. We'll see. There you go, there's the towers. All right. Pardon me while I climb in here. Oh, I'll show you these actually. Ba-ba. Ta-da! All right, anything else in here? Ah, yes. actually. There's nothing else in there. So I'm curious as to what happened to the center channel. I'm gonna set that out of the way. Maybe it's in here. I'd be quite surprised. It doesn't look like it. Does it look like it to you? And I'm thinking I shouldn't have vacuumed before I did this, but after, because this nasty foam's going everywhere. All right. You know what I'm not seeing are the bookshelves, because this is center channel. Come on. Boy. They packed these puppies in here. I had the small home theater package 5.0 with all the bookshelves before, and the packaging was just terrible. Actually, the guy that I sold to on eBay said it pretty much disintegrated before it got to him. So I believe this is the C92, the larger center channel. There you go. Take a look there. So I'm gonna have to figure out what happened to the bookshelf speakers. Oops, I want this. I am not seeing them. There we have it. I like the look of these speakers. I know that some people think that they are cheap. They are, but we'll see how they work as far as in home theater and in my use case, but I'm not sure if you can see that well or not. Here's the center channel. There you have it. 2 towers and a center channel. Still got to find the bookshelf speakers. Stay tuned for that. They are not anywhere to be seen. So we'll throw this on here and end the video, but thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more information on these, as well as a review of them, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Also check out my Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee, linked down there in the description. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.